had quite a few inquiries about asking the question, what are FODMAPs? Well, it's simple really. FODMAPs are fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides and polyols. But to put more simply, they are the small carbohydrates or the fermentable sugars that are found in food. Some examples include gluten in wheat, dairy, onions and garlic, not particularly good, or fructose. You may feel incredibly lethargic, particularly after eating a meal, like a food coma. I felt tired pretty much permanently, even if I'd woken up from a really long night's sleep. You can also experience huge amounts of bloating or stomach pain, toileting issues, and that they can also affect your hormonal system, which will affect every other system in the body. A few years ago, I was diagnosed with fructose malabsorption after I was given a hydrogen breath test, and the doctor recommended that I go on a low FODMAP diet. If you have been recommended by a physician the low FODMAP diet, I highly recommend purchasing the Monash University Low FODMAP app. This university, Monash University down in Melbourne, Victoria, has developed the low FODMAP diet, which eliminates all of the FODMAPs out of your eating, and then you reintroduce them after 6 weeks, one at a time, to work out exactly, to be able to pinpoint the fermentable sugars that your body is not very good at absorbing. I'm hoping that my FODMAP Sorted channel will help you with some family-friendly, incredibly easy to cook. After all, I am cooking them, so they have to be easy. Some easy recipes that everyone will enjoy, and I wish you much health and happiness on your journey.